I like woman, I dey straightforward. I like truth and I dey rock rumors.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing a quick tutorial. So this is kind of like a really smoked out winter solstice eyes. Like, I'm feeling it. I don't know why I just did that, but I'm definitely loving this. I hope you guys do enjoy this tutorial. My complexion right now is super poppin', but I hope you guys once again do enjoy this tutorial. If this is your first time subscribing to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your notification bell. And if you're not following any of my social media, it's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, let's get right into this tutorial. Alright guys, so to start off, I'm going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Toffee, and I'm using Toffee to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. And for the top of my eyebrows, I will be using the shade Chestnut. I used to fill in my eyebrows today, I used the Makeup Forever Aqua Brow in number 40. I don't know if you guys want an updated brow routine, but I do have one on my channel that I did in the end of 2018, I believe. But if you guys want one for 2019, definitely let me know. I can definitely make that happen. So I'm just going in with a brush just to blend out the concealer, and I am just blending. I decided to use concealer today as my eyeshadow primer instead of my usual regular eyeshadow primer. After I am done applying that, I'm going in with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder just to set the concealer so it doesn't crease and nothing moves, and that's before I go right into my eyeshadow. So I'm just using a clear brush just to clean off the excess powder. And today's palette, I'm using the Juvia's Place Magic palette. I'll be using the color Yejide and Ife. I'm gonna just be going back and forth with those two colors until I am satisfied with the consistency. I started off with the blue, as you guys can see, and then I built up with a dark purple. The blue, I believe, is Yejide, and the purple is Ife, or Ife, either way you pronounce it. And I'm just going in and blending that in until I'm satisfied, and I'm just blending it in and moving the transition up and down until I like the consistency and how it looks. This look was inspired by the winter that's going on in Toronto right now. It is about -21, literally what it is like in the Arctic. And to cut my crease, I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer in warm beige with a flat brush from e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm just using that to literally cut my crease before I go in and apply my blue and my silver. And when it comes to cutting your crease, you want to be very patient. It takes time, don't rush it. I'm going to go in with the Morphe 35B palette. I'm going to be using that black just to blend out the harsh line between the concealer and the base, and I'm just blending that in. And I'm using, I believe, a Morphe brush, which is a crease brush, just to blend that in. And I'm going to go in with that sky blue that you guys see right there, and that's going to be my first color on my lid, or technically my second color on my lid after I cut the crease. And I'm just blending that in until I am satisfied, and then I go back in with the black and just to blend out the harsh line. And then I'm going in with Yemoja in the Magic palette, which is a silver. I do spray my setting spray on it, and I'm just patting it on closer to my waterline, my tear ducts, closer to the front of my goddamn eye. Oh my lord. And I'm just blending that in, and then I go in with the blue to create the transition. Just to add on top of the silver, I'm going in with a silver liner from Ruby Kisses, and I'm just applying that right over just to give it a little bit of a pop. And then for my eyeliner today, of course, I'm using my New York Colors black matte liner. You guys already know this liner is everything to me. I'm not going to be doing a wing today because I just wanted it to be something very dramatic but still subtle. And then I'm going into the Morphe 35B palette. I'm taking the black, and I'm literally just blending where the eyeliner ends, just to create like kind of like an illusion that my eyeliner continues, but it technically doesn't. And then to highlight my brows, I'm using the Baked highlighter from Fixate Cosmetics, and I'm just blending that bad boy all over my brow bone. And then for my lashes today, I'm using my Shop Lady lashes in Spotlight. I do have a discount code with them, which I will leave in the description box below. And before I go on to apply my lashes, I'm putting on mascara, and this is the Urban Decay Troublemaker mascara. I do have a video coming up on my channel real soon on how to apply false lashes. It is coming on very soon. It's probably going to be my next upload after this, and if not after this, it'll come on after the following video after this video. So 2 videos away or 1 video away. I haven't decided as of yet, but I'll be uploading that very, very soon. These lashes are super affordable and they are so comfortable. So to go on into my complexion, I'm going in with the Becca Velvet Blur Primer. This primer is supposed to blur your skin, and I love how like it made my complexion look. My complexion look absolutely stunning. Like my complexion was flawless, and I want to say it's the primer, but I think it's the primer and the foundation together. So for my foundation today, I'm using the Becca Ultimate Coverage. I am in the shade Sienna. If you are an OG subscriber, you know I literally love this foundation. I started off my channel with this foundation. This foundation is one of my favorite eye-hand foundation. It blends amazing. The coverage is great. It looks like skin, and I just love the finish it gives you. So Becca, come the fuck through. When it comes to this foundation, it is amazing. I would highly recommend it. You guys should definitely check it out. They do have a lot of range. It's something I actually just found out. They actually changed the bottle, which I didn't know, but I would definitely, when I run out of this one, I would definitely be grabbing another bottle. This is my 3rd bottle that I've used, and that's how you guys know like I love this foundation. Like it is amazing. Okay, so after I finish applying my foundation, I used a diffuse brush, by the way, to apply my foundation. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Self-Setting Concealer. I am in the number 52, which is chocolate, and I'm going to be mixing that with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Beige, just to give me a little bit more of a highlight, like a lighter under eye and highlight light conceal rather than something that's just very close to my tone. And then I'm just going in with my Real Technique concealer sponge, and I'm just blending that out. These concealer sponge are very small and so freaking cute, but like I love them. I feel like it really does work under the eye because you can get every corner. Like y'all see that? Like I'm getting everything. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just blend that together and just conceal my under eye. And then to contour today, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany, and I'm just applying that to my jawline, my cheekbone, my nose, and a little bit of my forehead. And I'm using the same beauty blender just to blend that out. And after I'm done blending that out, I'm going to be setting my face. And of course, to set my face today, I'm going with the Sacha Cosmetics, the Buttercup Setting Powder. And I'm just applying that pretty much anywhere and everywhere that I conceal. And I let my setting powder sit for about 3 to 5 minutes, technically what we call baking, because I am very oily and like to, of course, bake my skin so I don't get any oil residue or flashback, and my makeup lasts me throughout the duration of the day. So after that 5 minutes, I'm just dusting off the powder off of my face, and then I'm going in with my Ruby Kisses finishing powder in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just using it to blend everything so everything looks like one. Everything's sitting together, nothing looks very out of place. Everything is just looking fabulous. Okay, everything just looks good. That's what we want. We want everything to look good. And then for my blush today, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush trio in Berry Adore, and I'm applying that on my cheekbones, and sometimes I put a little bit blush on my nose just because my preference. And then for my highlight, I'm of course going back in again with the Fixate Cosmetics highlight in Baked, and I'm just applying that on my cheekbone. I'm applying that on my nose bridge, my Cupid's bow, and of course on my jaw as well. And then after I'm done applying that, I like to go in with my brush just to set everything together and make sure everything looks as one. Applying the same leftover residue eyeshadow on the bottom of my lower lash before I go in with my NYX Cosmetics Jumbo Stick Pencil in Milk. I just wanted a white in my waterline because I wanted the look to pop a little bit more than usual. And then I'm going back in with my Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay just to give me an illusion of a bottom lash, even though I do have them, but I like to have the illusion of having it a lot more. And then for my lips, I'm going with the LA Girl lip liner in Black Brown, and I'm just using that to outline my lip just to get my Cupid's bow in there, everything in shape. And I wanted to do kind of like a nude ombre, but it took me time to get this color because I had to keep working and mixing so many colors to get it. Next, I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetic Lingerie Lip in Baby Doll, and I applied that all over, and then it's like, okay, on my camera, from what I see, it makes me look washed out, so I had to apply more, and then I even look more washed out. So I was like, yeah, no, let me try to fix this. So I go in with my Absolute New York Nude lip gloss in the color Nude, and you guys know this is like my go-to lip gloss when it comes to nude lip. I applied that on top, and I still was not satisfied. I had to like play around with it, and when it comes to nude, you really need to play around with it. And then to top everything off, I went in with my Ruby Kisses Clear Gloss. And just to finish the entire look, I'm going to be setting my face with the Too Faced Peach Mist Setting Spray. P.S. This setting spray is trash. I would not recommend it. It gives you a disgusting flashback.
Powder.
Oh, I'm leaning, 420 leaning. You know I don't know steaming. Secrets you're keeping, I never keep them. I know you've seen them. Seen in the Rolls Royce leaning. Chick named Janina, slim like my Nina. Out in Miami, Dolphin Marina. Let me fly you out where it's sandy. Taste like candy, face on Yandy. No B-Day 28.
Alright, I hope you guys did enjoy that tutorial. Like, it's super duper easy. I wanted to focus a lot more on the eyes. That's why I did one eye off camera, and I'm filming the other eye with you guys. And then my complexion though, like I already said this in the beginning, but like the complexion is pop. Like, are you dumb? Like, this is lit. I hope once again you guys did enjoy this tutorial. I hope you guys did learn something from this tutorial. If you did like this tutorial and you have any other looks you guys would like to request, please feel free to comment that below. If this is your first time subbing on my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and make sure you do turn on your notification bell so you can be notified every time your girl uploads. And lastly, if you're not following me on any of my social media, what are you waiting for? It's right there on the screen. Make sure you add me, follow me, let's become best of friends. With that being said, thank you guys always for all the love and all the support on the channel, and I will see you guys all in my next upload. Bye!